Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about how to enable auto call recording in your Tecno smartphone. Friends, how you can do call recording in your smartphone. So let's start friends. First friends, you have to click on the Play Store app. Click on search and write here call recording app. You can click on any app and download auto call recorder app. And once it is downloaded, you have to tap it on to open this app. Click on open. Now you have to give all the permissions, like click if there is a new version you have to install it. Click on later, and then you have to choose your language. Click on next, then click on next. Remove the ad, get started, and you have to go for all the permissions from here. Now use built-in or next. You can use built-in. Click on next. Now friends, you can see here it is welcome auto call recorder. Here you can use this like this. And how you can do is, you have not granted all permissions, go to settings, then friends you have to enable it like this built-in. Just allow the call settings from here. Now just click on this and call it. Friends, you can see I am recording this call, and you can see here it is showing this recording ongoing call. You can just cut it from here. Now you have to see all call information, and here it is your recording. And you can see this is the recording. Friends, let's check in the in-app, and friends you can see it is not showing any call recording. You can see. So first you have to go to the phone call app, just dial any number like this, and you can see here it is recording ongoing call. Tap on here, allow the permissions from here, just allow it and simply press back, and then you have to press back, and from here you can just cut your call. And friends, you can see here it is see call information. From here you can see your call information. Then here you can see all the call recordings. You can just listen it from here like this. Friends, you can see it is recording my voice. Friends, you can see I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.